Hi, I'm Rick Garcia at Ziems Ford Corners today. Today we have a 2012 250 Lariat. Let me show you a little bit about the vehicle. This vehicle is going to be equipped with tow hooks. It's going to be equipped with a 6.7 liter, 19-inch wheels. Let me show you a little bit about the inside. It's going to be black leather, Sirius Bluetooth capability, heated front seats, power seats, 5-passenger vehicle, running boards, chrome rims. It's also going to be equipped with the rear camera, rear sensors, towing package, and it's going to come with a sprayed-in bed liner. So for more information on this 2012 250 Lariat, price ready to move, you can get hold of me, Rick Garcia at ZiemsFordCorners.com or 505-325-1961.